English tip by tip.
Tip 74. Whose?
Whose is this luggage?
It's mine.
Tip 74. Exercise. Make questions for the answers. The water glass is mine.
Whose is the water glass?
The water glass is mine. These are Marina's shoes.
Whose are these shoes?
These are Marina's shoes. The umbrella is mine.
Whose is the umbrella?
The umbrella is mine. The pets are his.
Whose are the pets?
The pets are his. The Rolls Royce is theirs.
Whose is the Rolls Royce?
The Rolls Royce is theirs.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.